So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and manage your Prayer App congregation account. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to prayer-app.com and then click Create a New Account. You'll see all of these fields. All of these will actually be necessary. Some of them will be related to your account information to keep track of your account, and some of this information, such as church name and address, will actually be used to identify your church in the Prayer App. So let me fill these out. Okay, now that I have these filled out, I'm going to then create an account after I type in my password. So we'll save password. So now we have our pricing options. So right now there are two different packages that we have available, and these will change obviously as we progress and grow our different pricing options. But for now we have a $10 a month package and a $90 per year. So these are actually recurring payments. So we're going to go through PayPal in a little bit, and so PayPal will actually manage those payments for you. So we'll select the $10 payment a month, and then we'll select subscription. And it'll then take you to the PayPal login screen. So you have one of two options. You can either log into your existing PayPal account, and it'll take care of that for you, or you can actually enter in your credit or debit card manually and fill all of that information, and then hit continue. Once you finish, you will then be directed to the actual account. So we have 4 tabs up here. We have profile, recurring prayer, one-time prayers, and then you can cancel your subscription at any time, and of course you can log out. So for your profile, you can actually edit your metadata in here if you need to change the information that's being displayed to users, or if you need to have someone else manage the account. So Prayer App gives you 2 options to post prayers to your congregation. The first is one-time prayers. So you go to one-time prayers, you'll add a new prayer, and then you'll fill in all the information. Once you have your information filled out, you can either post an image from your desktop computer, or you can find a YouTube URL and post that. And that will actually be displayed within your prayer message so that you can have additional content if necessary. I have a YouTube video, and I will add the prayer. Cool. So now I can see and manage all of my prayers here in this window. So I can either add a new one or edit this or delete it. So let's go ahead and just delete this. Awesome. So now we're going to go to recurring prayers, and this is a little bit more sophisticated because we're actually going to give you the option of having certain reminders be periodic throughout the week. For instance, if you have a Wednesday evening prayer meeting at 7 p.m. and you want to remind your congregation consistently at 6 p.m., what we can do is go to Wednesday, and we'll call it Remember to Come to the Prayer Meeting. So we'll just leave the description blank, and we'll select it at 6 p.m. And then again, we can enter a image or a YouTube video. So we'll add the prayer. Okay, so now we have the prayer reminder at 6 p.m. on Wednesday, and we can actually see it graphically here. Now it falls under the Wednesday column. If I were to add another reminder on Wednesday at 5 p.m., it will then show graphically which one is coming first. So that way I can visually keep track of all of my different announcements that are going throughout the week. So it's pretty simple to use and pretty straightforward.